Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a doggy diaper for a dog, especially when they are in heat, this video is for you. These are a game changer. So recently my little fur baby is going through the old heat cycle. And if you've been through that, then you know it's always a challenge. And just to try to keep on something so a mess isn't getting made all around the house, if you know what I'm talking about. Stumbled across these, and this brand right here, these things are just fantastic. So the inside, these are, first off, just washed this because I was like, let me do a review after I wash it just to see if it comes clean and if it holds up in the wash and dry cycle. So the material, and there's like 3 different colors. There's this, there might be other colors too. And then there's another one which I'll show actually being worn. It's like a purple color. Very easy to install. This is what goes on the top. There's these little snaps right here. And to be honest, I don't even use the snaps. Like, I don't even know why those snaps are there, to be honest. The dog's tail goes here. This is on top. The dog's tail goes through this way. This comes underneath, and then it Velcro straps like this, if that makes sense. And so the dog's face would be this way, head would be this way. Especially when you have like Whippets or Greyhounds or something where like their waist is like super skinny and they have this big chest. It's sometimes really challenging for stuff to stay on. So the hole where the tail goes through is nice because it's elastic, you know, so you slide the dog's little tail in there, and it's not gonna, like, you know, not gonna be a challenge for them. The material is washable. It's nice, and especially when the dog is in heat, it doesn't soak through. It soaks it up really nice in here. So there's like a whole bunch of extra like I don't know what's in there, but it soaks it up. This was, and I left this on for like 3 days, and I got like a very, very minor. I could probably get this stain out, but I really don't care because it's on the inside. And but all the way, just like a regular diaper for you know, like a human. This is all elastic all the way around. The part that goes around the waist is elastic, and then you have your Velcro. And I don't even know why. So if the dog's waist was even smaller, I guess you can come all the way across and Velcro it that way. But I mean, they come in different sizes. So this size on this animal, that's about 30 pounds. This is fitting a Whippet perfectly, and this is the size, yeah, size large. So if you're looking for something to solve the problem dealing with the dog in heat, or maybe they have other like issues where they need to have a diaper on, I mean, I mean, these things are awesome. These things are awesome. They stay on. They can run around. They don't fall off, which is with the elastic, and which was a concern just because other ones would just fall off. Can't speak enough good things about it. Hopefully, this answers any all questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.